Hey guys, Lava here, and I hope you're ready for this brand new series. This series is going to be Cactus Mccoy, which is a browser game. It's on Miniclip and Congregate, other websites like that. It's basically an adventure where southern or Midwest kind of cowboy gets a curse from stealing a cactus gem shard and becomes sort of a cactus man, and now he's wanted by the people who he was supposed to steal it for. Bit of an odd storyline, but it's a really fun game. It's an adventure game, and I think there's about 12 levels. So if there's 12 levels, we're going to play 4 levels per episode. Since this is the starting episode, I'm just going to be explaining how to play the game, pretty much like that. There is like 4 or 5 different weapon categories if you count fists. For fists, you can get brass knuckles, boxing gloves, and your normal fist. For guns, you can get shotgun, squirt gun, Derringer, and then a couple other guns. You'll see later. There's throwing weapons like sheriff badges and like darts, things like that. There is whips, which are like chains and ropes, those kind of things. And there's swinging weapons, which is the majority. There's all the way from swords to cactuses to shovels to wood planks, things like that. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this series. It's probably going to be only a 3-part series. If requested, I'll keep it going and play the second one, Cactus Mccoy 2. Hopefully that one will be just as fun. My favorite level, I think, so far is the 4th level, where there's a bunch of chickens. When I was about halfway through, spoiler alert, I dropped one of the chickens into the hole. Like, you have to bring all the chickens to the end of the map if you want to get a special achievement called Chicken Wrangler, and I wanted to get it, but about halfway through I dropped one of the chickens into the death pit, and that chicken was gone, so I just gave up on that. I fell right in because I thought I might be able to go get him, and nope, that's just gone. So I might do a chicken wrestler episode at the end or something like that. Maybe not, but comment in the description what series you guys think I should do after this. I think I'm going to make this like a thing where I just play flash games or games on Miniclip, things like that. I'll do like 3 episodes for each one. Okay, until next time. See you later, guys.